Hi guys, today some challenge between this Dewalt machine, new one, old one, which are quicker. Both are fully charged, 3-piece, and we will running and speed 2. So we can start right now. 1, 2, 3. So new one win. This one is better, I can say. Now I change machine. This time old one, right hand, and left hand, new one. So we can start right now. 1, 2, 3, go. This is unbelievable. Maybe this machine I use longer. It could be because of it. So that was all for today. New one win. Bye.